So this is a thrift store typewriter. Has its issues. It actually looked like hell before I cleaned it, but the keys came out really nice. And it actually, everything seems to work fine. It's even got a dinger. A few of them will get a little jammed. Hit this one. People who actually know how to use typewriters are probably going to be screaming at me right now, going, "You fucking idiot, you hit the wrong button." Or, you're supposed to put the paper in there first. Well, I'll put in some paper for you. I'm not going to be all over the nitty fucking gritty. I was playing with it a little while ago.
Back in the day, though, that was a whole day's drive.
Like I said, they'll get occasionally jammed. This is a Royal Safari typewriter, made in America. Don't know what this does. Seems to just be a rubber scoopage. I'm not sure if this one exactly has it. Don't know what that was. It has a lot of fun buttons. I'll give this old sucker that. That's not how you unjam it, you fucking retard. I know, I hear it. I hear it in the comments. You can't hide this. Alright. Like that. Keep going. They probably should have thought on giving this thing's fucking owner's manual, but I'll pop the top off and I'll let you watch the moving parts. Let's see. Come on, let me get you. Here's our little thing here. You're gonna have to get separate light. There you go. They sure as hell don't make them like they used to. I'll tell you that. Holy shit. I think that's good enough. Here. Let's see where it's stamped in on this paper. Oh, wrong one. Oh, that's caps lock. I should clean this thing a little bit more. But the keys are really clean. A hell of a lot cleaner than they were. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. This is overall favorite lever is this one. So fun to fiddle with, especially with a guy that fiddles gear shifts a lot. Okay, you get the idea. I know, I'm destroying it. Stupid kid, I know. There goes that bell again. Fucking hell. And I think I'm supposed to start on that end. Or this end that go that way. And then I hit it like that. Or it's just the way it works. Honestly, I have no idea what the magic column means. Okay, I got a lot of them going. Oh, there was caps lock again. Alright, I got you back on the old stand. And yes, I'm using a camera now. And yes, there's headphones I should take off. Oh, I don't know why, that's just my favorite one. It was at this moment that Eddie knew he probably shouldn't do this. I think it's so you could take it out of the case and actually set it on the desk without worrying about the case. Because it has a lock-in point. I'll just close the case and set it over there. Alright. This stupid thing's cool. Alright, I'll give you some wipes so we can clean this sucker a little. Oh man, where do I set it? Perfect. There we go, back. This camera does have a flash, but it doesn't use it during video for some odd reason. Alright. Now, you know, this thing is cleaned up well if you could see a shine on the space bar. I don't know if you could see that, but I sure as hell can. Just gonna wipe it down some more, see if I can get it to go any cleaner. That's scuffed. It's in a used condition. It literally lifts it right off the table. Scooches it on the table. I mean, it's a really good typewriter. I mean, good looking. Don't clean those parts like that, you retard. Have you ever heard of the thing called sometimes you just need to sacrifice it for the learn? Ah, coolest button. Coolest feeling. I literally don't know what 90% of these fancy buttons that say magic column and magic margin and magic this, touch control, magic that, big dick this. Excuse my profanity for you new viewers. Yeah, these keys are in the case. Oh my god, the case was the nastiest fucking thing I've ever seen. It was like... my mom, she would have set that shit on fire. It was that disgusting. How far will this damn thing go? Is that it? Damn. That's a pretty far clearing distance, just going to say that.
I mean, it's funny, but
It's even got that measuring spot on it. Just still intact. And you can't clean it. That's it? Well, from the typewriter douche here, the idiot who doesn't know jack squat about typewriters, only had I want one in my head. And this is a nice little typewriter. The style I actually really want is the one with the metal keys and the glass indicators. Early 1900s-esque typewriter. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you the underside. That's a lot of parts. Here, we'll press some buttons. It's literally just a bunch of springs and levers. No one. There's the bell. Yeah, that's the bell. Ding. Yeah. That arm swings left and goes ding on it. Now what the hell does that one do? I gotta find the manual for this fucking thing online. That's the beautiful thing about the internet. And I need to find these ink wheel things. Psyched I got something cool like this though. Alright.